Okay, now I'm filming. Explain what you're doing.
Reciprocating back and forth.
Does it have automatic down feed?
No, maybe it does. I don't know. I've never used it.
So it does or doesn't?
I don't think it does.
So you have to, after it sparks out, you have to take it down yourself?
I don't like using automatic down feeds anyway because it tends to overcrowd the machine.
What's your max RPM?
That's it right there. I don't know what it is. 1800 or whatever.
1800? What size wheel do you have?
20 by 8.
20 by 8?
Yeah. I forget what size board. I think it's 8-inch board.
And it's an 8 foot by 2 foot magnetic chuck?
20 inch. And it's an 8 by 24 inch chuck.
The wheel is 8 by 20, right?
Right.
So 20 inch diameter, 8 inches wide.
Correct.
You don't know what the bore is?
I think it's 8 inch.
8 inch bore, okay.
And then this is what sets your feed for how much it goes in and out. And this sets it for how much it moves at a time.
So you have automatic traverse and
Right.
wide.
Yep. Now when you want to go down with the head, you just go over here.
How much does one revolution take it down?
100,000.
Okay, one revolution takes it 100,000.
Yep. It goes up. Oh. There's up. There's down. And then this one, you just feed it thousands or a couple tenths at a time. This is for your dress. Go slow or you can rapid traverse. Get off your cart. Go slow to dress.
Okay.
It's best to dress with diamond on the table. This one here works, but it doesn't cut it straight. It's more accurate. Most people,
What'd you say the graduation is for the, what's each increment?
Every one of those is 1,000.
Okay, and the total revolution is 100,000.
100,000.
Okay.
And this is for the magnet.
Magnetic chuck?
Yep, on, well, excuse me, yeah, on, and then, excuse me, that's off. This is on, green light, off, and then you can put it on this one right here, which is, you can set how much magnet you have. So if you want something that's not real flat, you just put a little bit of magnet on it, and it allows you to grind it, get it flat.
Okay, is that it? Is that the whole machine? And how much does it weigh?
42,000.
And what's the total length?